Welcome to our channel One to Step everybody, and in today's video I will teach you guys how you guys can log in into a Bank of Melbourne online banking account. And it's pretty simple, so follow the steps which I'm going to be showing you guys. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video, and let's move on. So first step, you want to go to this website called bankofmelbourne.com.au. If you do not know what I'm saying, you can just pause this video and see what I've written in the screen and just copy the URL and paste it on your browser and search for it. Once you search for it, it'll take you to the official website on the Bank of Melbourne. Once you're over here, you can see the log on button. Just click on it and choose which account you want to log in into. I want to log in into online banking, so I will choose internet banking, and it'll open up a separate window, and over here it's going to take me to the login page. So wait for some time until the page loads up completely. Now once you're over here where it says card/customer access number, you can enter whether your card number or your customer number. Just enter the correct information over here and then enter your issue number. Alright, so I will choose my issue number and then enter your security number. Once you enter your security number, over here where it says password, enter the password of your account and click on login. And you should be able to log in into a Bank of Melbourne's online banking account. And if you forgot any of the information from over here, right beside it there's a forgot button. You can click on it to recover the information you lost. So yeah, that's how you guys can log in into a Bank of Melbourne's online banking account. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel One to Step. I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.